What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. My name is Lewis. I own a 2015 Evo X GSR, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a modification. Hood dampeners. Okay, let me get my face out of here so that these can focus in on the hood dampeners. There you go. You notice that nice quality carbon fiber? Yeah, so this will be a nice little addition to the car. Okay, it's a relatively easy install. All you have to do is hit this bolt at the top and this fender bolt right here. Take those off. There's a flat plate and an L-shaped plate. You put those on. I would not recommend tightening the plates fully until you have the actual dampener installed, because you don't know how the hood is going to sit. So that's why I'm just tightening this one. I wasn't able to get this one with a drill, so I'm just going to hand tighten it. Keep in mind, this is aluminum and this is aluminum, so you don't want to over tighten either. So there's one installed, and we're pretty much just going to do the same exact thing, but with the other one. A 12 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. I use these drills because I'm lazy, but you could literally get this job done with just a ratchet and some sockets. I didn't go crazy on the impact because my hood is made out of aluminum and so are the fenders, and those are the anchor points for this project. So this is what it looks like. If I could even find, there you go. Here's the 10 mil, and it literally just has a flat plate, and these are just clicked on. And then right here, this is your L plate, L-shaped plate, and that is the 12 millimeter. It's really easy to install. Had no troubles whatsoever. Ooh. Closes nicely. Pretty cool. Alright guys, there you saw it. The hood dampeners are now installed. I'm very pleased with the product, and the installation was very easy. All you need is a ratchet and a couple sockets. Actually, you only need two sockets, a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter. So that's it for today's vlog, but if you stay tuned, on the next vlog, we're going to be throwing in this MAP intake and a Turbo Smart BOV. So, like always, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time.